everybody, it's Neil and I am in the car and I am going to check out this 1080p plus 720p dash cam, and let's see what brand it is, if I can even see. I can't see very well because I just had my eyes dilated from the eye doctor, but here you guys can read whatever you need to on the side there. Is there nothing else really? Nope. Okay, well, let's see what's inside. That is, check it out. So it comes, ooh, very nice white box and black inside. And here's this. I'll put these things to the side as I go through it. I'm not sure what that is yet. This is clearly the wire for the cigarette plug. This looks like the rear camera. More wires and stuff. We'll go through each of these things here in a second. And we have the instruction manual. And this is going to be the suction cup mount. I'm guessing this is the camera. So the box is empty at this point. Taking everything out. So let's see what we got. So here is the little camera. So this is what it looks like there. There's the little front lens and the back screen. And then here is going to be the mount for it. That's kind of cool. So let's see. So it'll connect up into, which way will it go? I don't think it's going to matter too much, but there. So there, now it's connected up, and then it'll go up in there. Nice and light, super light. So that's why it only needs a small suction cup. Let's see how the suction cup is going to work. Not sure. Got a lot going on, but I guess it just snaps in and then we'll hold it like that. So, and I guess this tab will make it easy to pull off if I ever need to get it off. Pretty cool. Okay, let's see what we got going here. And then here is the cigarette plug lighter for it, thing for it. So let's plug this in, and it looks like it's got the old school, I don't even know what that's called, micro USB. So I'm plugging this in now. And then we'll see if I can find this port while I am blind. Here we go. So there, I just plugged it in and a couple of lights went on. Oh, now we see the screen is going on. It's probably upside down. Yep, and there we can see the screen and the little camera from it. So here you can see me on it maybe. It's got a little plastic cover on there, so let's take that off. Maybe it'll make it clearer of a picture. There we go. Take that off. Is there any kind of cover on the screen? Nope. There we go. And there I can see, when I'm shining it, I can see stuff. Looks pretty cool. And then it's got, looks like a little SD card slot in there, and it looks like this one came with the SD card. And it did. It came with a little 32 gig one. And it looks like the SanDisk ones, but it's not. I guess it's some generic version of it. But you can see that's the little chip in it. So it came with it. So that's really nice. So there. And now we have that and this. And I don't know what I pushed, but the screen just went off. Oh, I guess I just push any button. It's probably got some sort of screensaver thing for it. But that's kind of it here. Pretty sweet. And then I can hook up the rear camera. So this, oh wait, what's this one here? Here is this is just a little plug if you wanted to connect it up to direct to USB, to USB-C. Probably I could connect it up to my computer and download the images or something like that would be my guess. Here is another version of the mount. This one here is just a super smallish, even smaller one than the other one. This one's got a sticker on it. So this one here, if you wanted it permanently on your dashboard or something like that, you could probably use that 3M sticker. Or if you put it on your, what's it called, window, it would be stuck forever, I'm guessing. So this one here is the suction cup version, and then this is this. You can see there's different sizes. If you want a very small profile, use this one. Okay, so those are those wires. And then this one here is some more, oh wait, is this the one I just showed y'all? Oh yeah, that's the one I just showed you. Oh, it also has a little pry tool, so then I can run this wire up and around my window. You can't see what I'm pointing to. And then this here is going to be the rear camera. So I'm guessing this one here can connect up to it. It's got a sticker on it, and then here is the camera. So this I could stick onto, like, screw it onto my license plate thing, or put it up in my back window, and then I can get myself a rear camera, and it would plug in right up there to this thing there. And now I'll be recording the front and the back. And you can see in the picture, now it's got the little thing in the little, like picture in picture, and now it's filming me with that. So there we go. So pretty cool. So it's got the two, and it's got a super long wire, so this will go all the way in the back. So I'm gonna hook this thing up, put it up here, and we'll see how it goes here over the next forever, I guess. I'm just gonna leave it up on this car, and we'll see how it goes. I like it. I like the way this wire here, I had one of these cameras before, and the wire had one of those ferrite things on it. So when I had it up here, there was nowhere to put that ferrite thing, so it just took up too much space. So it was just ugly and whatever. So we'll give this thing a try and see how it goes. Very cool. So thanks for watching. I'll put a link to it in the description so you guys can pick one up for yourselves. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some other reviews soon. And this one here is super easy. I mean, it's just gonna go, and I'm gonna wire it around, so it'll be mounted in my car permanently. Thanks, bye.